dot servlet, Java X dot servlet, servlet programming package, servlet programming package. Sir, what is that X? Java X. Java X means Java library extension. There is some extension to Java library. From that extension, we had one package known as servlet. Servlet belongs to library extension. Servlet belongs to library extension. That's the meaning. So we had one more. Java X dot servlet dot JSP. We call it as JSP programming package. JSP programming package. Java.SQL, Java X.servlet, Java X.servlet.JSP. So these three are covered from advanced Java syllabus, and core Java, I will cover that four first packages. Training will be done. So this is the information about Java library. Everybody clear about this point now? Java library. So simply, if anybody asked Java library, define Java library means you must say Java library will hold predefined components which are used in constructing applications. So what that Java library will hold, if anybody asks, you must say it holds packages. Packages will hold classes and interfaces. Classes and interfaces will hold variables and methods. In the next week, we are going to train you data types, variables, and methods. The first week of programming. Next week, we are going to train data types. Data types comes means you are going to declare the variable or not now. Variables. Once the variable comes, you must do operations or not now. Methods. So next week's syllabus is variable training, data type training, and method training. With that, JVM internals also will come. The architectures will come. Okay, right. So finally here, JDK providing three major parts, no? Java compiler, Java library, and JVM. So now make a siding JVM. Now make a siding JVM. IO means input output. Somebody is asking IO. Input stream, output stream means data coming into file, data going out of file. That we call it as input stream, output stream. That's called IO stream. Chapter is there, don't worry. So JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and which is used to execute, Java bytecode. The duty of JVM is to execute Java bytecode. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and which is used to execute Java bytecode. Clear everyone? Right. JVM internally having the following partitions. One. Following one. Class loader, subsystem, runtime data area, and execution engine. execution engine. JVM internally having the following partitions: class loader subsystem, runtime data area, and execution engine. There are 3 parts available in the JVM. The syllabus part started from Wednesday, I think, right? Wednesday, Thursday, today, Friday, 3rd day of your syllabus indirectly. Program definition, program stages, what is compilation, what is execution. In that compilation, objective code, bytecode comparison, platform dependent, platform independent, right? Java versions available from 1995 to today. What is the difference between JDK, JRE is going on day 3. Okay, right? Today only we'll give the steps to you how to install JDK today. So we'll ask the students to make your system ready with the Java software. That is a day 3. So syllabus day 3. That's a concept. And tomorrow we had repetition. Means small FAQ question is there. We discuss that FAQ question for 15 minutes. After that, we repeat it. From day 1, any doubts are there, we clarify, because some students will come late, no? Some students will come late. So any queries and questions are there, we answer them in 1 minute. So on Saturday, we repeat it. So somebody is asking, no, I want course details and so on, right? Daily, we never repeat them. 1 or 2 days, we repeat it. After that, we are into syllabus for 2-3 days, right? And this Saturday, tomorrow, after one FAQ question, we repeat it. From day 1, what is the syllabus type? What is the course curriculum? Once again, we repeat it. And after repetition, week will be ended, no? Right. Monday, we are coming back. When the Monday comes, we write the first program. We write it. So class definition, class structure introduction, using that class, how to write one small program. Already software is ready today, no? We'll give a steps to how to run on that software. So student will run on Monday. So how to run it? He will run it. Sir, Monday he'll give the feedback. Sir, the program executed without error. That's the point. Tuesday, we load that program onto JVM. Tuesday, we load that program onto JVM and we explain the internals, where it loads, where it comes, right? What it happened. We explain the flow available on the JVM. So student will get one idea how it is executed on the JVM machine. Your original machines are there, no? Coming to RAM, coming to processor, some flow will be there. The flow we explain with the JVM. By Tuesday, you'll get clarity how the program executed on JVM. Then we bring data types, we bring it. Understood now? Because already program is ready or not now. In that program, we must add the variables now, right? So Tuesday, we start data types, or Wednesday, we start data types, variables, methods, and we increase that programming income. This is the pattern. This is the flow. So in that flow, you must be regular. Understood this point? This is the flow. Slowly, 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 we increase the levels and come. So this week is nothing but this week the look like theoretical looks like, because student comes late for 6 days also, he can understand by reading the notes. So that is a technique we play, and we keep the theoretical points with small diagrams and we come forward. In that process, I am concluding JVM like this. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Duty of JVM is to execute bytecode. JVM internally having 3 parts: class loader subsystem, runtime data area, and execution engine. So here also one class loader subsystem is there. Your supervisor is there now. He is loading or not now. That's called class loader subsystem. Whenever you loaded, you are coming and sitting in the chairs or not now. That's called runtime data area. Means where you are sitting is a runtime data area. I will come. I am an execution engine. Understood this point now, right? The program will be loaded, class loader subsystem, where it is loaded, where it occupies the memory, runtime data area. Execution engine will come and execute it. There's the three parts available. I written orally, I said to you, detailed explanation is available on Monday and Tuesday with full-fledged internals. Got it right? Where it loads, how it loads, where it comes. All will be explained very clearly. By Tuesday evening, the student will get the complete picture how program executed on JVM. That's the point. Okay, right? Sir, in this, what is this virtual machine? I want to know what is this virtual machine. Make it FAQ. Define virtual machine. Define virtual machine. Define virtual machine. Actually, virtual images, we call one term known as virtual images. Virtual images means mirror images. We call it as virtual images. Whenever you look into the mirror, you can see your image in the mirror. The image available in the mirror is not real. So it appears to be real, but it is not real. So that image, we call it as a virtual image. Virtual machine also same now. The machine, the software program having internal behavior like machine, but not machine. It is not machine. Not machine means what? It is not hardware component. It is a software component, but running like a machine. Make a statement. The software program which internally internally having the behavior like machine is known as virtual machine. Is known as virtual machine. The software program which internally having the behavior like machine is known as virtual machine. Right. So these are the points about your JDK. K stands for what, Andy? Kit. So whenever Java developer want to develop any application, he needs one kit. It's like a bag to us. We open the kit. Whenever you open the kit, it contains compiler, library, and JVM. That only development kit. Java developer will use this kit for application development. So we call it as Java development kit. That's the meaning of it. Okay, right. So the major parts are these three. Sir, what is this JRE? What is this JRE? Okay, right. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Make it. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and which provide Java library and JVM. Java library and JVM. Simply you can say Java library with JVM is known as JRE. Simply Java library with JVM together we can call it as JRE. Simply you can say JRE is internal partition of JDK. JRE is internal partition of JDK. Internal partition of JDK. That's the point. So JRE is not separate, it is a part of your JDK, where your Java compiler, Java library plus JVM, we call it as execution environment. It's a theory. All of you understood these statements? Right. So this one, this is the theoretical part. Just you read the notes daily, and maybe you looks very easy in the starting, but habituate reading. Just read the notes daily. Go home before sleeping 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes. Read the notes. That's all. Nothing. You don't do anything, and don't do anything. Just read my notes and come. If any doubts are there, just you ask it. Maybe it is a theoretical part is coming in the first week. We keep it theoretical part. Practical also same. What has been happened in the morning before going to a bed, open and read them and sleep it. That's the point. So any doubts are there, you can underline and ask it. That's the point. So JRE is internal part of JDK. JRE is internal part of JDK. Right. So these are the points. JDK and JRE. Everybody clear? Right. Okay. Now, installing Java software and setting path. Make it star mark IMP. Installing Java software. Installing Java software and setting path. Installing Java software, setting path. Installing Java software and setting path. So everybody try to do by your own. Everybody, maybe installation also, see the notes and do it. Why means you must habituate the individuality. You must habituate that. You must slowly decrease the dependencies, because in real time, nobody will stand with you. You have to fight by yourself. Nobody will. Your friend also will come to the tea only. In the lunch break or snacks period, he comes with you for a tea break. He will not support your job when you are not working. So you have to develop individuality in working. For that, read the notes. From the notes, what is the information is there? You try to do it. You develop that slowly. The dependencies will be decreased. When the error come also same, you have to fight with the error. Don't ask anybody. Read the notes, read the examples, read the models. Like this, you must fight to 99%, you have to fight it. So beyond that, you have to take the support. Last dead, sir, idea not coming. So at last, you have to take the support. Until then, you have to fight by yourself. That will get, that only practice. Practice meaning is you have to get more errors. And when errors are coming, you will rectify it. Each rectification will learn something. At last, errors will not come. Here also same. I am giving some steps to you. You only install by yourself. If any systems are there, already installed, well and good. If any new environments, if you have it, you only do the work by your own and make it to run. Got it right? So step one. Step one. Our Java software means JDK. Right? Okay. So download JDK from Oracle website. Sir, why you are calling it as Oracle website? Because our vendor company is Oracle Corporation. So first our product started from Sun Microsystems, but later on from Java 7 version onwards, our products are coming from Oracle Corporation, because your Oracle Corporation taken over your Sun Microsystem. Internally, our research and development will come with Oracle Corporation. So our official website is Oracle Corporation, www.oracle.com indirectly. Make it. So download JDK from Oracle website. Download JDK from Oracle website. Oracle website. Link. Look here. Just open your web browser. Open the web browser. Type here. Simply you can say download JDK. You can type it. Just you type JDK download. Here you can get Java downloads from www.oracle.com. You will get it. So I'll copy the link here. It's a link. This is the link. www.oracle.com Java technologies and downloads. So there you can see your downloads of your JDK. Right. Right, look here. Now they're asking me, in your downloads, Java 18 and 17 available now. They're asking me, 18 came recently by March 2022 March. The 18 product came. Java 17 product came. Java 17 product came by 2021 September. Which one you want? You take 18. You all engineers will take 18 product, you take it. Go with the latest one. Understood this point or not now? Go with the latest one. Select 18. Anyway, it will be selected there. 18. Okay, right. Under 18 product, here option is there. What is your environment? You want to download JDK for Linux operating system or Mac OS operating system or Windows operating system, it is asking. Java software while downloading and installing, it is platform dependent. It is asking me or not now? Platform dependent. While compilation and execution, it is platform independent. Once the compilation started, once execution started, it is independent. While installing and downloading, it is dependent. It is asking no Windows-based JDK, Mac OS-based JDK, Linux-based JDK is asking. So maximum percentage of people will use Windows operating system. See there. Select Windows here. Here you can see some files. Of course, all will have the latest computers, you will have it. All will have 64-bit only, no? Yes or no, no. If anybody having 32-bit operating system, your 17 and 18 product will not work. So you must go to 8 product, Java 8, 2014 product you must go. Old product you must take it. How can I take old product? Means download JDK 8. You type it, link will come automatically because many people are downloading 8 also. Link will come who are having 32-bit operating system or 32-bit environment. So hope all are having the latest environments today. You are having means here you can see .exe file will be there here. All of you observe this .exe file. You cannot see that. Tomorrow I'll install Zoom and show to you. .exe file. Don't download .zip. Don't download .msi. Download what now? .exe under your Windows .exe. Click that. Whenever you click it, it will ask an option to you. Do you want to download it? Click on the download. Automatically few milliseconds it will be downloaded. No license number, no product key. It is a freeware software. Within a few milliseconds, very less MB file, immediately it will be downloaded to your downloads. Very easy to download. Once the download has been completed, make it step 2. Install JDK. Install JDK. Install JDK. So install JDK means the file .exe file will be downloaded. I'll check it whether my hardware engineer kept or not. He kept wrongly here. So JDK.exe file you can see normally, not installer. .exe file you can see. So whenever the .exe file is there, double click it and start it. Whenever you double click it, it will ask a window. Do you want to install it? Click on yes. Click on OK, OK, next, not OK, next 2 times. Automatically installation will be taken. Within a few milliseconds, the installation process will be completed. Very easy to install it. The installation process will be completed. Once the installation process is successful, make it note. After installation process is successful, then we can find folder with the name Java in program files. After installation process is successful, then we can find folder with the name Java in program files. After installation process is successful, then we can find folder with the name Java in program files. See there? I will open program files. You can see program files now here, right? In this program files, you can find one folder. What now? Java. You can see it. Here you can find it, JDK installed there. You can find it. So in program files, you can find it. C drive, program files, Java, and JDK has been installed here. If your product is 18 will come. So I am having JDK 17 because I am conducting workshops on 17. Every 3 weeks, I'll conduct one workshop. Tomorrow you had workshop, not you only. Normally, you are new students, no old students. I am conducting workshop by tomorrow 9 o'clock on Java 8 feature. I took it generally. So for YouTube streaming, I used to do. So my class is streamed to YouTube generally. Every 3 weeks, I will take one new concept from your features because my students will be updated. If any outgone students are there, they have to update few components. No, we educate through YouTube's generally. So we do the same process for all the concepts. For your regular class will come. After your class has been completed, suddenly 19 product came, 20 product came. Again, you cannot come to Amirpet, no? You can see our videos directly in the streaming. So there you can find that enhancement. Students will be enhancing. Why I'm speaking means I am streaming 17. Since 1 month, I am concentrating on 17 feature I concentrated. So my system is updated to 17. I am asking you to update 18 because I will show 18 features to you. Your batch will get 18 features. 18 means all features you will get it. Okay, right? Okay, sir, I found one folder Java in program files. Next what, sir? Make it step 3. Set Java path. Set Java path in environment variables. Set Java path in environment variables. Underline the term environment variables. Underline the term environment variables. Right. Set Java path in environment. Sir, how to go to environment variables? Means make it. Right click on my computer. Right click on my computer. Properties. Advanced system settings. Right click on my computer, properties, advanced system settings. Then you can find environment variables. You can see environment variables. You can see. Right click on my computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. See, I'm opening that. How to go to environment variables. Here you can see my computer icon here. So right click on properties, click on advanced system settings. Here you can see environment variables. Click on environment variables. After clicking on environment variables, here user variable will be there, system variable is there. So click new from system variables. Here click new from system variables. Click new from system variables. Click new from system variables. Click new. Read the notes very carefully when you come here. When you are installing it, so when you are setting a path, read that point and go to system variable, click on that new. Right? Okay. After clicking on new here, it asks me, what is the variable name and variable value? It is asking me variable name and variable value. So variable name, it is asking me variable value. Variable value, it is asking me variable name and variable value. Variable name is path. Always you take path. Variable name is always path. It's a predefined format. Okay, right. Variable value means wherever software has been installed, that information to be given like this. Sir, my software installed in C drive, program files, Java, JDK. In JDK, you can find bin. Click on bin. Up to this bin, you must copy it. Copy up to this bin and you have to paste here. So path, then you have to paste here. Paste it. C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. And semicolon here. At the ending, you had semicolon here. Semicolon is the path. So like this. So path is C colon, program files, Java, JDK, bin, followed by semicolon. Semicolon means end. The path has been ended. That's the meaning of semicolon. The path has been ended. That's called semicolon. Right. Once the path has been kept, when you are taking a path, go to C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin, copy that and paste here. Don't type it, copy and paste. After this one, we had step 4. Click OK for 3 times. Click OK for 3 times. Why means 3 windows will be there. You have to click OK for 3 times. Then the path has been set it. then the path has been set it. Right. See there? Here, okay, okay, okay. Can you see this now? Okay, okay, okay. 3 times. You have to click it. If you click okay only, it will be set it. If you cancel it, it will not be set it. Okay, right. I am canceling. The reason my system already have a path. My software engineer, sorry, my hardware engineer kept it already. Path is there. So click OK. Now path has been setted. Sir, how can I know? I done my process correctly. My software is ready. How can I know? Means we are going to check 2 commands are working or not. Make it note. N-O-T in note. Open command prompt. Open command prompt and check the following commands are working or not. Working or not. Open command prompt and check the following commands are working or not. Open command prompt and check the following commands are working or not. 2 commands. 1 command for compilation, 1 command for execution. These 2 commands are working or not, you have to cross check. 1 command is javac. Command for compilation process. Command for compilation process. Java. Command for execution process. Command for execution process. Command for execution process. These 2 commands are working or not, you have to cross check. If these 2 commands are working, your software installed and your software is ready and you can start programming. That's the meaning actually. See, I am opening command prompt. How to open command prompt now? Sir, click on the start button. You had a start button now? Not there here. Here start button. Click on the start button. Can you see search symbol here? Search. In the search you type what now? CMD and enter. So command prompt will come. So once the command prompt comes now, don't change anything. Just you type javac, you type it, enter. So one reflection will come. The reflection is coming means automatically your compiler is ready. That's the meaning. If your path not given properly, error will come. Javac, I cannot identify it as internal and external command. One error will come. Error came means your path is not correct. So delete it and do once again. It's a concept. Now go with Java command. It's working. If it is working, your software is ready. Understood this point now, right? This is the, so now on this software, how to run the program, we are going to explain to you. That is a process. All of you clear with the process? Say yes or no to me, right? So this is, so at any cost today, if your own systems are there, make your system ready with the software. Got it right? So here we stop the class bit early. Why means tomorrow's class is, tomorrow everybody should come. Tomorrow, first 15 to 15 minutes, we work on that environment variable. I used one word, no? Environment variable. What is environment variable? What is system variable? What is user variable? Why we have to set a path? What is the advantage? We are going to read. That is the questions we write FAQs on that for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, your course introduction once again. So many students has doubts, no? Again, the course introduction will be done. The total, again, all classes will be repeated once. Overall, repetition we do and close the week. This week will be closed. So next week, we start with the program. Program means what? Writing a program. Already your software is ready, no? You know program definition, you know program compilation definition, execution definition, you know some theoretical environment is available with you. With this, we are going to do the practicals in the next week. That's the plan. Okay, right? So meanwhile, you can take a break for today. I'll give you more time for online students today. Okay, right? Thank you very much for today. Take a break. Online students, put a question to me. So parallel batches means what, Andy? 9:30 HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and 4 o'clock you had Oracle. That's the point. Already. Eclipse? అవును, అవి ఐడీస్ అమ్మా, అవి సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ కావు. అంతే.